Hello everyone. Have you heard of date bars? It's a beautiful, beautiful yummy recipe. You must try this out. And it's super delicious. Everyone will like this. You can carry this everywhere. So without any delay, let's start. So take a pan, add some oil, just one or two drop, or else you can just use a apartment seat. I did not use that, so I'm using only little oil, coconut oil, cold pressed. And see, I have taken here bunch of dates. Remove the seeds first. So you have to press this down little bit using a glass like this way. So flat it, make it flat, and you had to arrange this on tray like this way. Like I have made this four rows of six. It's just a fun part and smashing it down and arranging it. So yeah, you do this first and arrange it, and on this we are going to pour a peanut butter. You can make a peanut butter by yourself. I have made just mine, and see, it should be like this, right? Can you see? So it's easy, just roast the peanut and just grind it until it becomes like this smooth paste, and just add that on top of this. So you can buy even outside, which is good branded one, or else you can make it by yourself. It's easy. And then the next layer is a chocolate. It's a dark chocolate. You have to melt if you buy from outside. See, I have just made this my own chocolate. You can see the recipe in the description how to make this chocolate. So you can or else just buy the dark chocolate and melt it. That's it. You had to pour that on top of this. So mine is, I have done it, it has become little thick. So just spread with hands or spatulas, whatever you feel like. See, just spread evenly all over. It should be coated one, chocolate coated. Okay, then we have taken here almonds, roasted almonds. It's crunchy roasted almonds and roughly chopped. Just sprinkle that on top of this, and we have to press this down a little bit. See, it should stuck to the chocolate, right? So that's it, guys, it's done, right? And we have to refrigerate until it sets, or else just freeze it like 1 or 2 hours, and let's see if it is set. It's done. See, mine is set now. It's so delicious, so beautiful. You can carry this everywhere. Like you are hungry, you can just have this bar, and without any guilt, right? I feel so. Okay, just cut this part, like make however you want that shape or size, how much you want. Just cut it down and ready to go. It's so delicious, super duper. Enjoy it, yeah. It's very easy and it doesn't take much time. If you have all the ingredients, it's very easy. And you can give this to children also. They like this very much. My daughter liked it, and it's beautiful. See, wow, my mouth is watering. I can't resist. Like I will finish it off full, but I control myself. No, no, no. One or two bar is enough. So, see here you go. A beautiful date chocolate bar or dates bar chocolate. Anything is fine. So yeah, whenever you are hungry in a working place or outdoor or indoor or after workout, anytime. So it's beautiful, easy recipe. You must try it out. Okay, guys, see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Namaste.